Hey guys, today on our 95 Project Ranger, we are going to be replacing our turn signal, dash squirter, high beam, windshield wiper, multi-function switch. Right now it works the blinkers fine, but you have to put it on high beams to get the windshield wipers to work, and it's just not safe. And for how cheap they are, let's just replace it and get it done. Alright, so we have to separate this column. We got 3 bolts underneath. We got 1 here and 2 here. I think everybody's truck's a little different. Mine's just a Phillips head. Some little toothy screws that come out. So we got 3 there. So what we're going to do, going to pull this up, just kind of separate everything, get it out of the way a little bit. Looks like we got some Torx bits in here. Torx bit in there is going to be a T20. One. There's one under, just right under here. I was going to pull this whole front bezel off and everything, but my thing is, it's just extra work. So let's see what we can do without it. If we end up having to, we have to, but again, extra work. No thanks. That one's out. Hey, even better. That's all the way off. Let's just kind of pull this guy aside. Got our electrical connections here. Just gotta, be gentle and careful of with the connectors on it. There we go. We got both those guys out. This is our bad switch. This is our good switch. Should go back in. Hazards work. I-beams work. Tuck it back in its spot. Get our T20. high beams work. Got our hazards going. Now let's get this thing put back together real quick. Should just be able to slide this guy over. Get our screws here. There we go. You can actually see it in the hole right in here. That tells me it's lined up. All right, let's test the windshield wiper function. All right, so we've replaced our stock here. Before, they would only ever work, the windshield wipers only ever work as if it was, you did the high beams forward or back. So let's see here. It's just normal position. We're gonna press the washer fluid. Hey! We got fluid, that's nice. And then, intermediate works, perfect. And we got all our blinkers. That is how you replace your turn signal, your multifunction stock on a 95 Ford Ranger. I can also tell you this is the same procedure probably throughout almost the whole Ford Ranger line from when did they redesign them? I believe 93 up until they quit production. Same procedure. I did this on a 98 as well. So tell you what, guys, if you like what you saw here, give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content on the Project Ranger. Thanks for watching.